How to change 2008 Toyota Corolla latch. This is the old one here. You can tell it's pretty beat up. Seems like it's been hitting that metal part that you see squeezed down. They're pretty good. That's supposed to be where it locks into. And this one just wasn't closing anymore. We've repaired it plenty of times. And I did have a new one just sitting there. And to do that, you do have to take that cable string off and then attach it right back through that hole right there. And then this yellow clip has to go back up there with that. And that's about it. All right, I'll show you when it's done. So let's see if it works. Okay, so what I found is this was not the problem. At least it looks newer. I replaced it, I bought it already. But what I can see was this down here, the hook was the problem. Apparently it was too far forward, and so I smashed it back and it grabs really good now. So it could be a combination of the both, but you can tell where heavy things have been on there and have crushed it, so it moved around a lot. I don't know, remember what happened here that I put in here that it did that. Something probably heavy, really heavy. But yeah, so it looks good. It functions well with this new release lever right there. Easy to put it back, easy to put on. And now it closes like no problem. The weather stripping is always going to be against it, so I can't, it's not an easy click close, but at least it won't open up when I'm driving now.